Thanks for checking out SpecialtyGearDrives.com. Today we are taking a look at this repair we did on this EREMA gearbox. This thing's a powerhouse for the plastic recycling and extrusion industries. Operating under immense pressure, these gear drives handle the critical thrust loads of the compactor and extruder lines. At SpecialtyGearDrives.com, our expert repair process begins by addressing common points of failure, such as the worn out spline and internal wear on helical gearing. We dismantle the unit, carefully inspecting the crucial thrust bearings and all gear surfaces. Our machine shop then meticulously rebuilds the core. We replace components, ensuring that the helical gear mesh and thrust assembly are perfectly set to handle the extreme forces of any extruder. And voila! The unit is restored and ready to contribute to sustainable recycling for years to come. For specialized extrusion gearbox repair, trust SpecialtyGearDrives.com. Get your unit back in production quickly. Visit SpecialtyGearDrives.com.